I'm Jessica Group de la Rosa, CPA, CPT, and I'm one of the junior accountants of Upturn.
Hi, I'm Gabel Maur. Ako yung nag-handle ng starting point ng business registration.
I'm Ronel Agustin, CPA, CTP, and currently I am Junior Accountant 3.
Specifically, I'm part of the one-time engagement team, and I'm mainly handling audit clients or audit engagements.
Nag-a-assist sa mga business owner na mag-register ng mga business nila para maging legal and compliant sa mga business regulations natin.
For one-time engagement services, we actually offer a lot of services sa business registration, business closure, tax compliance review. Since ang mga hinahawakan ko ay hinahandle ko, particularly yung tax audit engagements and FS audit engagement, they are intended for clients na nangangailangan ng audit for compliance, reporting requirements, and yung mga iba pa nilang specific needs.
So, ito po is for business owners na nag-a-ask ng specific regulations or government na hindi na need mag-avail ng long-term services niya.
Most likely, ito yung mga engagement or transaction na kaya natin gawin for 2 months, 1 month, sa contract lang. And also, yung mga concerns ni client na kaya natin immediately gawa ng paraan, kaya natin masikasuhin.
Sa services na napo-provide, sa tingin ko, it helps the clients or yung mga clients namin na maging assured with their financial reporting, with their compliance. Kasi, syempre, for businesses, I think it is important talaga na hindi sila battered, nakakapag-comply sila, regulatory requirements and such.
Ang malaking tulong doon para sa mga business owners kasi hindi na nila need mag-worry na intindihin yung mga requirements and then processes kasi kami na yung mag-handle and then less hassle sa kanila and delay. Yung focus na lang nila is yung kung paano mag-grow yung business nila kasi kami na yung mag-handle na lahat.
Personally, na-observe ko naman sa client kasi from the day of the meeting or may tatawag kami ditong onboarding. Yung nandun, parang hindi pa sila aware, ang dami pa nilang problema, ang dami nilang tanong. And right after finish yung bawat transaction, ay nabibigyan naman sila ng explanation ba't nangyari yun. And also, hindi lang kami basta nagbibigay ng bad news, ganun, parang gato po yung problema natin. So, we in Upturn, parang after namin mabigay ng bad news, parang bibigyan din namin sila ng kung paano sila mare-resolve at yung gawin nila. Kaya naman, after neto, nakikita ko, na-observe ko na nare-relief yung mga client. Kasi one time, client ako na sobrang laki ng penalty. Kahit pa paano nagawa ng paraan na maliit lang. And naramdaman ko naman na grateful siya sa nagawa namin for her.
Based din naman sa mga nanghawakan kong client, stand out yung pag-offer after ng services in a way na for an instance, may specific need yung client but may nanonood kami ng mga significant issue or significant situations na dun sa specific services na nagpo-provide namin, like to the extent na nakakapag-provide kami ng mga recommendations, suggestions in order for the clients to improve pa yung processes nila, in order for them na mas maging better pa yung reportings nila. Siyempre, communication, being responsive, working closely with the clients, making sure na updated din sila sa lahat ng nangyayari.
Is siguro yung pagiging pulido and detailed namin sa lahat ng transaction.
Wow.
So, binibigyan namin sila ng worry-free na experience dahil kami na yung bahalang nag-handle sa lahat.
Siguro the environment here in Up helps a lot para doon. Since hindi naman sa parang sabi kong usually lahat ng accounting firm is parang medyo may kaidaran na. So, as in Upturn, parang it helps a lot yung environment since magaan and then feel free, parang nararamdaman ko din yung client na madali kaming i-approach, we can right away kaya namin mag-respond sa kanila in a parang magaan naman, hindi yung though professional kami, pero nandun pa din yung para pakikisama kay client as hindi lang professional, parang kaya namin sila kausapin ng yung magkakaibigan lang kami, gano'n, yung magaan yung ambience namin. You can reach out to us like your friend, gano'n.
As for the last question po, ma'am, how do you personally ensure that every client receives the quality service Upturn is known for?
I think it's about being detail-oriented. And that's the reason nga why they need us accountants or auditors. So, para masabing quality talaga yung services na napoprovide ni Upturn, we see to it na oriented kami, organized, and as well as being responsive din sa mga questions nila, sa mga concerns nila. And always assuring them na ma-receive nila talaga yung output as expected.
Para sa akin kasi, dinodouble check ko muna lahat ng mga documents before sila i-process para less worry and then problems sa part ni client. And then after nun, ina-update ko sila sa status na ng project nila. And then, ina-attendan ko yung mga concerns nila promptly. Because I believe being organized, detail-oriented, and responsive helps deliver the quality service that Upturn is known for.
As a CPA, kumbaga, ini-ensure ko na every task na mahawakan ko, every transaction na mahawakan ko, I give my 100%. Kumbaga, binibigay ko lahat ng oras, effort, and time ko for that. Since, ayun, ayoko ding dumating sa point na mas lumaki yung problema ni client. So, ako mismo, personally, ginagawa ko yung best ko, ginagawa ko lahat in order to ensure na everything ng trabaho ko, every task na mabibigay sa akin is walang mali. And also, at the end of the day, kumbaga, mapupulfill yung concern ni client. Iniisip ko na lang din na for the sake of our clients, gagawin ko yung best ko. Gagawin ko yung nararapat for them. Since, ayun nga, sayang din yung time nila and also yung effort and syempre yung money nila for us. So, ayun, minimake sure ko na worth it lahat ng mga sakripisyo nila. And also, for the firm, syempre, alam ko naman, everything I do is resembles Upturn. And ayoko namang mabahira ng misconception. So, when I step in here in Upturn, minimake sure ko na binibigay ko yung best ko. Since, hindi lang pangalan ko yung nakataya. And also the firm, syempre. And also, nakasalalay din syempre si client dito. So, yan.